everyone, thanks for coming back for another video. I forgot I had this palette, so let's swatch it. So I've had an era of Profusion in my past. I love their eyeshadows. I love the way they set up their palettes for whatever reason. And they're decent eyeshadows. Some of them are duds. I have a ton of swatch videos of Profusion palettes. I literally forgot that I bought this. It already has a pan hit, and I think what happened is that somewhere in the recesses of my mind, when I unboxed this, I must have scratched it. It looks like I had my fingers on some of these shades a little bit. They look a lot more washed out in the camera, but let's go ahead and swatch it and see what happens. All right, so I have a little bit of concealer on the top of my arm. This one is called Whoa. Ooh. Holy crap, look at that shimmer. It's a very pale pink with some blue silver reflect. I love it. Here comes a kitty. This one's just called Lilac. And once again, a beautiful purple. This is a matte this time. Hello, my love. This is called Pegasus. Love that. Sorry about my nails. I just have animals and anxiety. They actually looked a whole lot better right before I started recording, so go me. Yeah, Pegasus isn't as strong of a shimmer. Just red violet. Blissful is next. Looks like it's gonna be, oh, it's a little darker than Pegasus. It looks like it's gonna be, it looked like it was gonna be a matte version of Pegasus, but it's a little darker. Last one in the top row is called Aubergine, which should be like eggplant purple. Aren't eggplants black though? Like what the heck? But it's an appropriate color for that name. It's a deep plum. Bottom row starts with Stay. All right, this is like a champagne shimmer. I don't think it's as pretty as the silver one though. Maybe that's just me. And then we've got Innocent, that pink. Yeah, I imagine it's gonna be a little flaky if it already broke. Go ahead, baby, I'll be right there. So yeah, I would be careful with that shade. That might be the dud of the group, but I don't know. Next is Pressure. Very reddish brown. I'm seeing that these are more warm purples now that I'm seeing them all together here. I'm a sucker for the cool purple. I'm a sucker for purple in general, let's be honest, but the cool purples are kind of more my favorite. This is more my favorite color. Let's see if it turns out. Concord. Beautiful. Very kind of glossy, more metallic. This is the purple I like, the more blue leaning. And then the last one is cute. It's just called Fudge. This is a very deep brown, very deep, like cool brown color. Interesting. So there is the Profusion Violets swatches. I really didn't need this palette, but whatever. I'll use it. I love this first shimmer here. So thank you for watching this video. Go check out all of our Profusion swatch videos. We have a million palette swatches, so check out that playlist, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.